Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW 3 Series hood. To begin, locate the hood release lever inside the vehicle. This lever is usually situated on the driver's side, down by the footwell, often marked with a small icon of a car with its hood open. Give it a firm pull. You should hear a distinct click from the front of the car, indicating the primary latch has been released. This is the first of two crucial steps. Once inside your BMW, look closely at the lower left side of the dashboard, near your left knee. The hood release lever is typically a small, distinct handle, sometimes colored differently for visibility. It might have a small icon depicting a car with its hood ajar. A firm, steady pull on this lever will release the first of two safety catches, allowing the hood to pop up slightly at the front. With the primary latch released, walk to the front of your BMW. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap above the grille. Carefully reach your hand into this opening. You will feel for a small, secondary safety latch, often located near the center or slightly to one side. This latch typically needs to be pushed or pulled to the side, fully disengaging the hood and allowing it to be lifted completely. Now that both latches are released, you can gently lift the hood all the way up. Depending on your specific BMW 3 Series model, it will either have a prop rod that you need to manually secure into a designated slot, or it will feature gas struts that automatically hold the hood open for you. Always double-check that the hood is stable and securely propped before performing any work or inspections under the hood.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.